You see one thing in the industrial operations software that will look completely different today?
Well, I think, when we talk about some of these maybe even larger companies that are operating a fleet of plants around the world, one of the common things that we see today that I don't think we'll see in 10 years is each of those plants operates in a somewhat siloed way. They have their systems, they do their OEE calculations a certain way, and then they display those KPIs, they display them in the way that they want to. Well, why do I have to repeat that 300 times across my 300 plants? And why don't I have a single version of the truth? Okay, it has a lot to do with how those plants were set up and how we want them to run in a somewhat autonomous way. But 10 years from now, I don't think it'll be that way at all. I think what you'll see is a hybrid cloud solution that allows a single version of the truth, a single version of the MES OEE calculation, a common set of metrics across all 300 plants, and that will allow, at a sort of a control tower layer, allow the organization, the enterprise, to manage all those plants in a consistent way, to drive the same efficiencies out of every one of those plants. So those data silos will disappear, and they'll be replaced with something that almost has to be cloud-based in order to get the kind of scalability and the kind of access that is required.